The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town.
What'd you say? You can't slide, you can't drive. That's it. That's just the rule.
Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. What? Bitch, I'm gassed up. You can't slide. Bitch, I'm gassed up. You can't drive.
The trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with them cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with them cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Toofast TV. Today we got a special surprise for y'all. I'm gonna be showing you around on the Humvee that we built, and I know y'all been waiting for this. Yo, Anu, tell them what's Gucci, bro.
So today we're gonna be doing a little showcase for you guys, showing you everything that we've done to the Hummer, and you're gonna see all the little things that went into getting this thing done. Cause this ain't no easy task. This is a Humvee. To get this thing on the road looking the way it does, it took time. So stick around and enjoy the episode.
Tell me really what you wanna do, Tell me really what you wanna do, Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with them cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with them cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with them cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with them cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back.
They know that I'm back in the kitchen. The pots and the pans I be flipping. I'm breaking my wrist on the whipping. The neighborhood local physician. Filling out notes of prescriptions. The Fed trying to get my description. They wanna line me with conviction. The block say silent, no snitching. I bring home the bag, she call me a dad. Diamonds and bags, she counting the bands. She bring home the racks, she split up the stacks. We don't pay tax, she bringing it back. She throwing it back, she bringing it back. She throwing it back, she throwing it back. She throwing it back, she throwing it back. No cap.
Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with them cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap. No.
So yeah, when you drive this thing, guys, let me tell you, you don't just look like a beast, you feel like a beast. The thing is huge, but at the same time, it's an amazing drive, an amazing feel. We hooked up this 4-way camera system right there, so you can actually see what's going on outside the vehicle. That one is for the rear, this is for the front, and then we got 2 inside the car, and these are always recording. It's DVR recorded, so, you know, always Gucci, always safe, and you can actually watch it from your house, what's going on inside. Over here, we installed the switches, the air horn, and the sirens. Crazy, we had to put an air compressor in the back, and 3 huge ass air horns. You guys gotta see that. Ooh. So yeah, we're just driving it around right now. We gotta make sure everything is good, because these type of Humvees, like, especially we lifted it, so the suspension is extremely stiff. You feel every bump on the road. So that being said, you want to make sure everything is secured. Take it for a nice drive, come back and relook everything. That's the crazy part. You gotta make sure everything is amazing, because keep in mind, it's gonna be put to the test. So we built this Humvee for our client, not just so that he can look at it. He's gonna be dailying this. He says he loves this thing, it's his baby. So let's take it for a drive. See, you guys can see for yourself. Driving one now, I actually want a Humvee myself. You don't got a lot of high-end power, but it's a lot of torque. It just gets you, it moves, starts moving. It's extremely loud, but I love it. I love it. Woo. The brakes are actually really good, surprisingly. Like, these things stop on a dime. It's very heavy, especially with the amount of weight that we added. It's actually, like, from factory, it is pretty heavy, but the main weight is in the suspension, because these are actually made out of aluminum. Every Humvee is actually built differently. If you guys don't know that, this this is a fun fact that every Humvee I've came across, each one of them has different stuff. So what I heard actually from some of the military guys is they'll take parts from another Humvee, put it on another one, and that's how you end up missing parts on some. And some Humvees will have more than the normal amount of parts. I've even seen some Humvees have the super thick windshield. This one doesn't have it. The bulletproof windshield. That's a crazy. What a beast! The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town. So yeah, man, this is actually makes me want a Humvee so bad. Like, this is a Humvee, you know. Hummer H1s are my favorite, and then the Humvees are like military spec, you know. Like, look at the dash. It's a military dash. We had to install a light, just, you know, so because there's no lights on these, man. And then to turn on all lights, you gotta actually flip this switch on the side here, or else even your brake lights won't turn on.
Bringing it back with no cap on my rap, no, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap, no, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap, no, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap, no, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap, no, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap, no, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap, no, I'm bringing it back. My niggas rolling dice like this and then I rock. And I was at work at 7 o'clock. Keep a low radar and then running the block. Long locks weighing like the block is hot. The block is hot, yeah, the block is hot. Run up in the spot, then grab the guap. Split it with my niggas, then that's.
Woo! Damn, guys, damn! Let me just tell you, damn! That's a fire whip. Like, I can run over anything. I can probably plow through anything. We got that brush guard in the front. Man, I'm telling you guys. We put 38-inch tires, 2.5-inch lift. When we did the lift on this, you think it's easy to compress springs from a Humvee? It ain't easy, guys, let me tell you. It took 3 of my techs 2 days. But we got it done, baby. We got it done. Because we gotta get it done. You know what I'm saying? And now, we love our Humvees.
Trap, no, I'm bringing it back with no cap on my rap, no, I'm bringing it back.
They know that I'm back in the kitchen. The pots and the pans I be flipping. I'm breaking my wrist on the whipping. The neighborhood local physician. Filling out notes of prescriptions. The fed trying to...
So over here you can see we ran dual 42-inch Omega light bars and then dual 22-inch Omega light bars. Everything is double stacked. Like we made custom brackets for this. That roof bar you see is custom made by us. All the bumpers and the hitch from Predator itself, we made those custom hooks, the E-links. Take a look at those springs, guys. Like, these springs are huge, so we had to compress those to run the lift. And yeah, that's nuts. Everything on these is nuts. And the fun fact about these Humvees is the rotors are actually in the middle of the car. The rotors and pads are in the middle. Very good stopping power. Very, very good stopping power. Here's from an H1. As you see here, we made these custom steps. NFAB doesn't actually make these steps for Humvees. We took F-150 steps, customized the mounts, and chopped them shorter. And we put the end plates back on. They look amazing, let me tell you guys. 38-inch tires, 20x12 fuel rims. We don't play around, guys. We don't play around. Everything was, like, a lot of measurements was taken into account. LED tail lights. We got these military spec antennas. We had to make a custom 6-inch bracket to lift it up so it clears the slant back. The slant back roof was done on this roof. The paint was done by Campus Collision. The interior was done, I believe, by Speedline on Chesswood. They actually did the upholstery. We did the full audio and video on that, and we'll show you guys the trunk setup we built. Crazy. We get something in there that we can't even show you guys, but it's nuts. Take a look at the air horns from the other side. You'll be able to see it, the big jumbo air horns we just put. You see those? Yeah, those are big. And there's also a winch on the front and the back. That's a rear Predator bumper. It can pull a trailer as well. What a beautiful truck. Change the gas door. 5% tints all around. Super fresh. Upgraded snorkel. LEDs everywhere, LED turn signals, LED front turn signals, LED headlights. When we actually got this, the LED flasher wasn't working, so we upgraded the flasher relay on this. It's a lot of work we did, a lot of work, guys, a lot of work to get it to where we are today. Take a look at the signals. You see the winch there. Yeah, we'll bring it in and show you guys the trunk setup, man. The trunk is beautiful.
Trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with them cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with them cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with the cash on my lap. No, I'm bringing it back. Running the trap, no, I'm bringing it back with them cap on my rap. No, I'm bringing it back. My niggas rolling dice like they selling a rock. And I was at work at 7 o'clock. Keep a low radar and then running the block. Long lock swing like the block is high. The block is high, yeah, the block is high. Run up in the spot and grab the guap. Split it with my niggas, then dodge the cops. But I was at work by 7 o'clock. My little nigga hit him with the woo, My sauce too strong, right the woo, I got amigo flow with the woo, The nigga too sick, he got the flu, Got the shit tied like a shoe, In the penthouse for the view, Tell me really what you wanna do, Tell me really what you wanna do,
Toofast TV.
Hey,
Yeah.
he already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish. So high off this rubber.
Your laugh just gets every time.
You can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.